Welcome back guys, this is part 2 of my cube short shifter install. So my reasoning behind making a part 2 of just a simple short shifter install was my friends over at Cube actually sent out a solid bushing replacement kit, and I kind of knew that I had to take the gearbox out due to other reasons, and I'll talk about that later. But I figured there's no point in messing around with the gearbox in the car, just trying to get this in when I was going to take it out anyway. So this is part 2. I'm going to be installing a solid bushing replacement kit. So the reason behind wanting to replace the shifter bushing is because when the shifter's in gear, the old bushing, because it's worn out, it has a fair bit of movement to it, and replacing it to a solid bushing will just make the shifter feel a lot more direct. So I'm going to do that now and see how it goes. So I got the shifter bushing out. That's what's left of it. That's the new one. And that's the tool I'm going to use to put the new one in. heat on. Oof. So I just finished installing that bushing kit, and I probably didn't really need to do it that badly. The difference isn't really night and day for me. When it's in gears, it still wriggles around a little bit, probably not as much, but still has a bit of a wiggle to it. You'll probably be able to see it a bit better when it's in the car, not when it's on the table, wriggling around with the table. The biggest difference for me with this new bushing is when I'm actually shifting it, it feels better again. So I'm still glad I did it. I suppose when the gearbox is out of the car, you know, you may as well. I've got that peace of mind now that when I put it back in, I'm not gonna have to worry about it. So yeah, I think I'll leave this video there. If you like it, please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you do want to buy something from CubeSpeed, even if it's just the shift knob, I've got a discount code for you. It's Nico ae86-10. So jump onto their website, have a look what they've got, and yeah, if you like something, pick it up. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.